So here's how to download Windows 11 ISO file. So first you will need to open your browser, and then in the search bar you will need to type download Windows 11, and then click on the first link and it should take you to Microsoft official website. Now in here you should scroll down and click on download now. You can also select a disk image here. For example, I'm going to download Windows 11 Multi Edition. Then click on download now, and then it will prompt you to choose a language. So I'm going to choose English and confirm. And now wait for it and click on download 64-bit version. And it should start downloading the ISO file as you can see in here. Now once the download is completed, you can simply mount the file or extract the files to a flash drive or a CD, and then you can use them to install Windows 11. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.